Dear students, welcome to mathematics online classes. We are solving exercise 7.11. In that, 8th problem is going on. 8th problem is I is equal to integration of log of 1 plus tan x with respect to x from 0 to pi by 4. Yes, here using the property integration of f of x with respect to x from 0 to a is equal to, I can write here integration of f of a minus x with respect to x from 0 to a into dx. Okay, I is equal to integration of log of 1 plus tan of, in place of a pi by 4 is there here, it become tan of pi by 4 minus x from 0 to pi by 4. I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus, you see it is in the form of tan of a minus b. What is tan of a minus b equal to formula? Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. That property I am using here. This become tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x, integrating with respect to x. I is equal to integration of log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 is tan 45 degree, its value is 1. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, integrating with respect to x, it is from 0 to pi by 4. I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 4 log of, see we will cross multiply this become 1 plus tan x plus of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x, whole integral is with respect to x. Here you see plus tan x minus tan x get cancelled. Then we have I is equal to integration of log of 1 plus 1 to 2 by 1 plus tan x into dx from 0 to pi by 4. I is equal to, you see it is in the form of log of m by n. Log of m by n equal to log m minus log n we will write. So 0 to pi by 4 log m means log 2 minus of log n means log of 1 plus tan x. Whole integral is with respect to x. Now let me write it as sum of two integrals. First integral is integration of log 2 with respect to x from 0 to pi by 4. Second integral is integration of log of 1 plus tan x with respect to x from 0 to pi by 4. Second integral you observe 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x is nothing but I. So here I is equal to, and this from first integral log 2 is a constant value, can be written out of the integral. Log 2 into integration of 1 with respect to x from 0 to pi by 4 we write minus of, this is I. I you take to the left hand side, I plus I become 2i. 2i is equal to log 2 into integration of 1 with respect to x is x from 0 to pi by 4. 2i is equal to log 2 into pi by 4 minus 0, it is pi by 4 only. I will take to the right hand side, I is equal to pi by 4 by 2, it is pi by 8. Pi by 8 into this log 2 will be as it is. So this is the answer for question number 8. I will move on to the next question, question number 9. Question number 9 is similar to the question number 7 we solved. Simply I will tell you how to integrate, it is left to you. Question number 9, integrating from 0 to 2 x into square root of 2 minus x into dx it is. Yes, you use the property 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. 0 to 2 x become 2 minus x, square root 2 minus of 2 minus x into dx. This is integrating from 0 to 2, 2 minus x into square root of this become 2 plus into minus, minus 2 minus into minus plus x, 2 to get cancels out, we left with root x. 0 to 2, 2 minus x into root x, you write it as x raised to 1 by 2. X raised to 1 by 2 you multiply with these two terms, then you simplify. Now let us move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is I is equal to, I will take I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin square x minus it is not log of sin square x, it is 2 times log x. Integrating from 0 to pi by 2, 2 times log sin x minus of log sin 2x, minus of log sin 2x into dx it is. Yes. Now let us integrate this. I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2. You see this first one, it is in the form of n into log m. N into log m can be written as log of m raised to n. So this become log of sin square x minus of log of sin 2x into dx. You see these two functions are in the form log m minus log n. Log m minus log n equal to, we know the formula, log of m by n. Here I can write I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin square x by sin 2x into dx. I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin square x, you write as it is, sin 2x equal to, we know the formula, that is 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x into dx. One time sin get cancels out. We have I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x by cos x is tan x, tan x by 2 into dx I can write. Okay, this is I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2. Again you see it is in the form of log m by n, can be written as log m minus log n, means it is log of tan x minus log 2 into dx I will write here. Yes, take this as equation 1. I will erase this. Next what to do, using the property integrating from 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to integration of f of a minus x with respect to x from 0 to a. This property I am using, this become I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan of pi by 2 minus x minus of log 2 will be as it is, minus of log 2 will be as it is into dx. This is I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of tan of pi by 2 minus x is log of cot x minus log 2 into dx. This will be as it is. Okay, now from 1 and 2 means we will add 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 means this is equation 2 here. Left hand side I plus I, 2i, which is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Both integrals are same, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. This is log of tan x minus log 2, and this one is log of cot x minus log 2. whole integral is with respect to x. You see 2I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2 log tan x plus log cot x. You see log tan x plus log cot x are in the form log m plus log n. Log m plus log n is equal to log of m into n, means it is log of tan x into cot x, and this is log 2 and this one is also log 2, minus is there, minus 2 times log 2 we will write, minus 2 times log 2 into dx. What is tan x into cot x? Tan x into cot x is a 1 because both are reciprocal to each other. Then we have log 1 here. What is log 1 value? Log 1 value is 0. Integrating from 0 to pi by 2, this is log 1 value is 0. We have 0 minus 2 into log 2, that is minus 2 into log 2 into dx we have. Minus 2 into log 2 is constant multiple, you write it out of the integral. We have minus 2 into log 2 into integration of 1 with respect to x from 0 to pi by 2, which is 2I is equal to, okay, let us integrate that. 2I is equal to minus 2 into log 2 outside, integration of 1 with respect to x is x, 0 to pi by 2. Here 2 to get cancels out. I is equal to minus log 2 into, this is pi by 2 minus 0, nothing but minus pi by 2 into log 2. You can leave it here. Otherwise pi by 2 into this log 2 is there, no, can be written as log of 1 by 2, because why minus log 2 is equal to log of 1 by 2? You see log of 1 by 2 is in the form log of m by n. Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n, means log 1 minus log 2. Log 1 value is 0, 0 minus log 2 means log of 1 by 2 is equal to minus log 2. Yes, with this we are writing here. Answer is pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. This is about the 10th problem. Now moving on to 11th problem. Problem number 11, it is given as I is equal to integrating from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x into dx. Very simple it is, sin square x into dx. First of all, we will use the property integrating from minus a to a, f of x into dx is equal to two things. One is 2 times integrating from 0 to a, f of x into dx. If f of x is even, it is 0 if f of x is odd. Here sin square x, f of x is equal to sin square x, whether it is even function or odd function, it is even function. See, you replace x by minus x, f of minus x is equal to sin square of minus x. Sin of minus x is minus sin x, but square is there, this become sin square x. So we have f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. Then among these two cases, first one we should have. We have I is equal to 2 times integrating from 0 to a. So 0 to a means pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. Next, how to integrate? Next, it is very easy, using the property 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Yes, using 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. We have, let me name this as equation 1, and I is equal to 2 times integrating from 0 to pi by 2 sin square of pi by 2 minus x into dx it is. Sin pi by 2 minus x means sin 90 minus x, that is cos x. So 2 times 0 to pi by 2 cos square x into dx. Let me take this as equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, taking equation 1 plus equation 2, left hand side I plus I 2i. 2i is equal to right hand side, it is 2 times integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x into dx. 2 to get cancels out. I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x equal to, using the formula it is 1 into dx. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x from 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus 0, answer is pi by 2. This is about question number 11. Now we will move on to the next, that is question number 12. Question number 12 is given as I is equal to integration of x by 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx from 0 to pi, yes. Now we have here, using the property integration of f of x with respect to x from 0 to a is equal to integration of f of a minus x into dx from 0 to a. This is I is equal to integrating from 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sin of pi minus x into dx. Sin of pi minus x means 180 minus x, second quadrant, sign is positive. I is equal to integration of pi minus x by 1 plus sin x from 0 to pi into dx. Integrating from 0 to pi, here we will write it as sum of two functions. First function is pi by 1 plus sin x, second function is minus x by 1 plus sin x. Integrating the function with respect to x. Now we can write it as sum of two integrals. First integral is integration of pi by 1 plus sin x from 0 to pi into dx. Second one is integration of x by 1 plus sin x into dx from 0 to pi. Second integral, you observe, integration of x by 1 plus sin x from 0 to pi is same as the given problem, that is taken as I. So this becomes I. I is equal to, in first integral I can write pi outside because it is constant multiple, pi into integral of 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx from 0 to pi minus I it is. I, if it comes to the left hand side, this become 2i. 2i is equal to pi into 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx from 0 to pi. Now coming to the property P6. P6, what it says? It says 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equal to two cases. One is 2 times integral from 0 to a f of x into dx if f of x is even function. Sorry, it is not f of even function, that is P7 property. If f of 2a minus x is equal to plus f of x, it is 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Now is that property valid here? Yes, this property is valid. In place of 2a, what pi is there here? We have f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. Then f of pi minus x is equal to f of pi minus x is equal to 1 by 1 plus sine of pi minus x. Sine of pi minus x is nothing but a sin x. This is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. 1 by 1 plus sin x is f of x. See what I am getting? I am getting f of pi minus x is equal to plus f of x. Then case 1 is valid here. 2i is equal to pi times integrating from 0 to this become pi by 2. I am applying this property 2 times 0 to a, means it is 2 into integrating from 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Now we will integrate. See, 2 get cancels out. We have I is equal to pi times integrating from 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus sin x is there. I will integrate this 1 by 1 plus sin x. Yes. Here let me write 1 plus sin x. This sin x I will take in terms of cos. Cos x, sin x can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus x into dx. Okay. Here using the property that is 1 plus cos theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to, we know the formula 2 times cos square theta. In the same way 1 plus cos theta, half angle formula, this become 2 times cos square theta by 2. In the same way here 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus x, in place of theta what is there? Pi by 2 minus x. We have here 2 times cos square of pi by 2 minus x divided by 2. This is 2 times cos square of 2 will get divided to both the terms pi by 2 and x. This become pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay. Let me write it here. I is equal to pi into integrating from 0 to pi by 2, 1 by, that is 2 times cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2 into dx. 1 by 2 is constant multiple, you write it outside. I is equal to pi by 2 into integrating from 0 to pi by 2, 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square. Cos and secant are reciprocal to each other. Secant square of pi by 4 minus x by 2 into dx. Now we can integrate it very easily. It is in the form of f of x plus b, where f is secant square. We know its integral directly. Integration of secant square x is tan x. Yes, we write here tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 divided by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 1 by 2 from 0 to pi by 2. Yes. I is equal to pi by 2 outside as it is, substituting the upper limit, tan of pi by 4 minus of pi by 2 by 2, 90 by 2, it is nothing but 45. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 divided by minus 1 by 2, minus of, substituting the lower limit, tan of pi by 4 minus 0 by 2 means pi by 4 by minus 1 by 2. You see, this is pi by 2 into tan 45 minus 45, tan 0. Tan 0 is 0, leave this part. We have minus of tan 45 degree is 1, 1 by minus 1 by 2. This is pi by 2 into minus minus become plus, 1 by 2 will become into 2 by 1. Here 2 by 1, 2 to get cancels out. We have the answer as pi. This is about problem number 12. Now we will take the next problem, that is 13th one. Problem number 13 is integration of sin raised to 7x with respect to x from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. I am telling you this answer is 0. Use P7 property here, minus a to a f of x into dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x into dx. If f of x is even, it is 0. If f of x is odd, sin raised to 7x, you check, it is an odd function, hence the value is 0. Problem number 13 over. Now problem number 14. Problem number 14 is I is equal to integration of cos raised to 5x into dx from 0 to 2 pi. From 0 to 2 pi, yes. You see, here we will use the property P6. What property P6 says? 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x into dx if f of x is if f of 2a minus x is equal to plus f of x. This is 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Let us check here. F of x is equal to cos raised to 5x we have. In the same way, f of 2a minus x means f of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos raised to 5 2 pi minus x. 2 pi means 360 degree. 360 degree minus x, it comes to the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. 2 pi, we should not change the trigonometric function, this become cos only. Cos raised to 5x. See, we have plus f of x. We are getting plus f of x. So, I is equal to, first case is valid here, 2 times integrating from 0 to a, 2 pi by 2, that become pi. It is cos raised to 5x into dx. Now, shall we apply the property once again? Yes, we can apply the property once again. Once again, same property we are applying here. F of x is equal to cos raised to 5x in cos raised to 5x is there. In place of 2a, what is there here? In place of 2a, pi is there. This is f of pi minus x is equal to, this is f of pi minus x is equal to cos raised to 5 of pi minus x. Pi minus x means 180 degree minus some angle. 180 degree minus, it comes to the second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos is negative, put negative sign. We should not change the trigonometric function, it will be cos only. Minus of cos x whole raised to 5 it is. Minus how many times it is getting multiplied? Odd number of times, that become minus cos raised to 5x. You see, f of pi minus x is equal to, we are getting minus f of x here. In this second case, which property is which case is applied here? Second case is applied. Therefore, according to that property, we have I is equal to 2 times integral from 0 to 5 cos raised to 5x into dx is equal to 2 into 0. Answer is 0. Yes, this is about problem number 14. Problem number 15 is very simple. I will tell you how to integrate problem number 15. I will tell you the answer also. 15 is I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x cos x into dx. This answer is 0, correctly I am saying. See, you use the property 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Denominator will be again same, that become cos x into sin x, denominator will be same. Numerator what happens? Numerator become cos x minus sin x. Here is sin x minus cos x. If we add up these two, denominators will be same. Numerators sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x. Both get cancels out, 0. Integration of 0 is 0. So, answer is 0. Now, remaining problems means problem number, this is 15th one. Problem number 16th onwards, we will take it in the next class. Thank you.